Welcome everyone to Project Saucier. I'm Jace Catalano, and on this channel we're all about making simple and strong taste special. For this video we're going to be going over the Peach+Sweet tea protein weight loss smoothie. Alright, so just to get a little bit of an overview for this particular protein weight loss smoothie. It comes in at just a little bit under 300 calories, about 49 grams of protein or so, and it's primarily, just think of a Peach+Sweet tea only in smoothie form. Very thick, and it definitely is going to give you both of those flavors. Super simple to make, and it's a really good everyday type of protein smoothie if you're on a weight loss protocol. The main ingredients you're going to get, of course, is the peach. What I love about peaches for weight loss protocol is only 50 calories per cup, so it's very low calorie, just like strawberries. And for me, I love the kind of citrus or just kind of the more bright flavors that come with the peach, which goes perfectly into the sweet tea. I'm using Crystal Light. Love Crystal Light products. You can definitely use any other type of sweet tea beverage mix. Put it in only a half teaspoon, and it does bring a very concentrated sweet tea without the calories. So great product in terms of just getting in lower calories, but getting full flavor. The other one we're gonna get is Peach Jello. So I just went to Walmart to get this one. But any type of peach Jello is gonna work, and it's gonna thicken up the smoothie really nice. And once again, just really make sure the peach flavor is very forward, and it's gonna give us a really nice, I don't wanna say artificial, but just a really nice peach flavor with the sweet tea on the back end. The last thing that I really think is important for this one is the type of protein powder you use. I'm using Purely Inspired. This is a plant-based protein powder, which for me is not necessarily a big deal, but what I like about them is that they have more fiber. So for me, I don't get enough fiber in my diet. I have not enough vegetables, so I get more fiber in this one. And then I'm also getting a little bit more stevia sweetness. So if you like your protein powders to also be a little sweeter, this is a good choice. A little bit less protein, but honestly with the egg whites and the Greek yogurt, it's not really gonna be that big a deal. With that, let's make it. Alright, so first flavors I'm getting is definitely peach first, peach forward. It's not the most brightest peach, but it's definitely a very clear peach that's hitting the tongue and just kind of lasts all the way throughout. It's really pleasant actually, in terms of the sweet tea coming in right after that, and then they kind of marry each other up all the way throughout the smoothie. So it's like peach first, then the sweet tea kind of entangles with it, and they just kind of marry all the way to the back end. Wow, really thick. Definitely sweet enough, but not too sweet. Man, that's definitely hitting the spot. If you like peaches, or if you like kind of really sweet tea, you're on a weight loss protocol, you gotta try this one. You're gonna lose weight on this one, no problem. Doing this one, yeah, peach, sweet tea, you're definitely getting both, and it's not too sweet. So with that, go ahead, try it yourself. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. I definitely appreciate it. If you can go ahead and smash the subscribe button, you're gonna get more smoothie recipes like this one and other really flavorful type of sauce recipes and things like that. And it costs you nothing, it helps the channel out, and you have everything to win. And with that, also leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think about the recipe? What would you change about it? And what do you want to see on the channel? Let me make them for you guys.